In addition to fantastic product knowledge, Rocktoberfest attendees were also given a behind-the-scenes tour of the high-quality manufacturing process of cultured stone veneer.
You walk through these plants, it's just unbelievable. I don't think there's anything even remotely close in the industry that, to the Napa plant or the Chester plant.
Cultured stone prides itself on the manufacturing process, the coloring process. We got to see a lot of that this week, and it just reinforces a lot of the things that we've been talking to our customers about.
Teamwork is about protecting you, your fellow workers, and our shoppers and donors. If you see anyone handling heavy or bulky items, lend them a hand. You can prevent overworking one side of your body by rotating tasks with your fellow workers. Now, the easiest way to move an item is by using a team lift. Take the lead and make sure that you and your partner lift safely using the power position. Work together and know your limits.
Because forklifts are designed to work in a relatively small space, they can turn sharper than some other vehicles. Most forklifts are steered by the rear wheels, and the rear of the forklift can move to the side very fast during a turn. This movement is called tail swing. An operator must be aware of tail swing and always check to make sure the tail swing area is clear before turning. Failure to observe the tail swing area when making a turn can severely injure or kill someone.
Hi, I'm Darlene Price with Well Said. If you're like most presenters, you may experience anxiety or nervousness prior to speaking in public. After 20+ years in the business, I know I still do. As the saying goes, you never get rid of the butterflies. You just teach them to fly in formation. So how do we tame these butterflies and manage stage fright? Well, in my book, Well Said, I talk about a lot of techniques, but here are 5 of my favorites. First, prepare. Know your audience, know your content, and know your objective. Preparation is key to a solid performance.
Intelligence and reliability.
When it comes to claims processing, total loss valuations, or locating that difficult-to-find automotive part, time is money. System uptime is everything. At Autotex, we take uptime very seriously. So much so, we built a new $13 million state-of-the-art, fully redundant data center to ensure that our client applications are there and ready for you when you need them. To keep this state-of-the-art infrastructure performing, Autotex employs some of the brightest and experienced technology professionals in the industry who are dedicated around the clock to ensure our applications are there and ready, just like when you turn on a light switch. It's there and ready to perform. With Autotex Technical Operations, it's simple. Uptime all the time. No exceptions.
Time is everything in your business. As you push to work through claims, estimates, and customer communication, you need a system that has intelligence and reliability built into the very heart of the system.
Be an IT software superhero. Leap tall org charts in a single bound. Get your software implemented in a flash. Accelerate your business performance today with an HP software certification. People tell us that our certifications give them more credibility, help them close bigger deals, and make them feel more confident in front of their customers. HP software certification empowers you to be a software champion. Recent data has shown us certified staff handle 40% more support calls per person per day.
In fact, this video features personnel with the Gwinnett County Fire and Emergency Services in Georgia. Like all of us, they started their home visit program small, and they are learning ways to improve it as they go.
And at times it may seem overwhelming where you feel like you've got a lot, we've got so much work to do, especially in our community. We're home to about 850,000 residents, so where do we start? The great thing about home visits is, one of my captains always says, something is always better than nothing. So even if you hit one home, you've done your job. As a department, our mission statement is to save lives and protect property. So knowing that we have to start small, that's huge. Starting small is the only way we're going to be able to establish seeing the bigger picture.
They're a good model for how home visits can be conducted in your department.
How do effective writers use textual evidence to support their claims when developing an argument? Anyone can take it. Okay. Jeremiah.
The articles we discussed today show us two different sides of an issue, and in order to be an effective writer, you have to be able to look at both of those sides, and that will help you not only develop your own claim, but also be able to counter the claim that it opposes what you think.
That was a great job, Jeremiah. I think that you've answered the question that we all have, and I think that you've made it very clear what all the pieces of our lesson led to. Is that, again, we are taking evidence and we're using evidence to support our claims in the exact same way that effective writers do every day when they make an argument. We've seen that in your arguments, we've seen that in your debates, we've seen that even in the writing that you've done. And so I really appreciate you guys have done a great job. You can head off to your next class. I hope that our students can look at the life of Anthony Stokes and look at the complexity of the decision and all the pieces involved and learn something that goes far beyond what they could learn in this room and these four walls, and what I can teach them, internalize it, and let it take them further in life.